If you're interested in learning something new about a guy, we've got you covered in these deep and flirty questions. Whether you're just starting to get to know him or in a committed relationship, these questions are a great way to discover his likes, dislikes, passions, and compatibility. Ask spicy questions that will set a romantic tone or put him in a flirty mood. You could ask, "What's your biggest turn on?" Or, "Do you have a secret fantasy?" Don't forget to show off your sense of humor and personality by asking some silly questions. Something like, "Do you believe in aliens?" Or, "What's the strangest thing you've ever put on a sandwich?" Lastly, if you want to get serious and understand his wants and needs, ask questions that will help you learn more about his expectations, past relationships, and future plans. You could ask, "Where do you see this relationship going?" Or, "How would you describe your past relationships?" Asking these questions can help you both in the long run and deepen your connection. So go ahead and give these questions a try.